Morning students. Today we will solve some question of determinant in which we will use the properties of determinant. So students, you can see by using properties of determinant, show that this determinant is given of order 3 by 3 and we have to prove 4a square b square c square. So students, we can take first LHS. Okay. Now students, we have to think about the properties, which property we can apply. Student, generally we have to keep in our mind what we need and also that we have to form zeros. Okay. So students, if I will multiply first row by A, second row by B and third row by C, then we can get here A square, and here B square, here C square. Because student, we need only A square, B square, C square. That's why I am going to form first B square and C square and A square. Okay. That's why I am going to multiply R1, R2 and R3 by A, B, C respectively. Students, we are here multiplying row by A, first row by A, second row by B and third row by C. Then we have to divide also students. That's why outside we have to write 1 upon A, B, C. Because we are multiplying rows, so we have to divide also student. Correct? So let us multiply first row by A. This is first row student. When it is multiplied by A, so A bracket B square plus C square multiply by A square B multiply by A square C. Now student, second row is multiplied by B student, B square A, B bracket C square plus A square, B square C. Now third row is multiplied by C, C square A, C square B, C bracket A square plus B square. Okay students. Now students, you can see in column, first column A is common, in second column B is common, in third column C is common. So we can take common students A, B, C from C1, C2, C3 respectively. Correct? So A is common from C1. So what left here students? B square plus C square, B square, C square. Now students, we are going to take B common from C2. What left here? A square, C square plus A square, C square. Now students, we are going to take common C from C3. What left students? A square, B square and A plus B wholes, A plus A square plus B square. Correct students? So A, B, C I have written here. Correct? By taking common A from C1, B from C2 and C from C3. So ABC cancel student. So you can see here AB, AC, BC, these are given to us and we have changed them into square. B square, C square, A square, C square, A square, B square. Correct students? Now students, we need 4 here. You can see to get 4, what we can do? I am going to add all, applying R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. When we add R1, R2 and R3, then B square plus C square plus B square plus C square means 2B square plus C square. At the place of R1 we have to write, the students, we are changing here R1, correct? Here also, students, A square, 2A square, C square, 2C square. So 2 is common, 2A square plus C square in bracket. Similarly, student, A square plus B square, A square plus B square means 2A square, 2B square, 2 is common, A square plus B square. Second row and third row will remain as it is. Correct, students? Now you can see 2 is common in R1. So we can take 2 common from R1, student. Taking 2 common from R1, 2 is common. What left here? B square plus C square. A square plus C square, A square plus B square, B square, C square plus A square, B square, C square, C square, A square plus B square. Okay, students. Now, students, we have got 2. We have to simplify it and try to get 2 zeros in a row or in a column. Okay, students. So to get 0, I am going to subtract R1 from R2. R2 tends to R2 minus R1 and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Okay. So when we do this, what left? 2 B R1 will remain as it is. What left here, students? Let's check. B square minus B square minus C square. B square cancel, minus C square. Similarly here, students, C square, both are cancelled, student, 0. B square minus A square minus B square. So minus A square is left. Similarly, student, C square minus B square minus A square. Minus B square left. C square minus A square minus C square. Minus A square left. Both are same here, students. So what is left here? 0. So that's why I have written here B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square. Minus C square 0, minus A square, minus B square, minus A square 0. Now, students, what we can do? So again I am going to change R1. R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Why this property is applied? When we apply this property, students, then we can get 0 here. Okay, students. So B square plus C square plus minus C square plus minus B square means all cancelled, answer 0. A square plus C square plus 0 plus minus A square, what left? C square only. A square plus B square minus A square plus 0, B square left. R2 and R3 will remain as it is. Now, students, as I told you, we need 2 zeros in a row or in a column. You can see in this row only 1 0, in this row only 1 0, in this row only 1 0. Correct? So to get 1 0, I am going to apply this property. I am going to change C2. C2 tends to C2 minus C square upon B square C3. Okay, students. In elementary row transformation, students, we were used only rows property, not column. Okay, but in determinants we can use column as well as row properties in a question. Okay, students. So now I am going to use property in column. I am going to change C2 students. C2 tends to C2 minus C square upon B square C3. When you use this property student, we can get here 0 C square minus C square upon B square into B square. So B square cancel. C square minus C square 0. Correct? 0 minus C square upon B square into minus A square. So minus plus A square C square upon B square. Okay students. Now minus A square minus C square upon B square into 0. Then it will be 0. What left only? Minus A square as it is. Correct students? So I have changed column to here, and you can see in row 1 we have got 2 zeros. Correct? Now students, we can expand it along R1. Okay, after getting 2 zeros students, we have to expand. Okay, not required to write expanding. Directly we can solve to this V square. These are not required to write because these are zeros, then its answer will be zeros. Only this part should be written. So B square I have taken, it is at the place of A13. So it is positive. Now delete its row and its column. What left? Minus C square minus B square. A square C square upon B square minus A square. Correct students, the 2B square minus C square multiplied by minus A square becomes A square C square minus B square multiplied by this. Answer A square C square. Okay, minus A square C square and formula minus. So we have to write plus sign here. So A square C square plus A square C square, B square upon B square cancel. 2A square C square, 2B square is outside. Now multiply 4A square B square C square. This we have proved student. So this is the method of proving students. In these kind of questions, you have to think about the property, which property we can use to get our answer or to get zeros, 2 zeros in one row or one column. After that, we can expand it. One more question I am going to take students. Question number 2. Prove that AB AX plus BY, BC BX plus CY, AX plus BY, BX plus CY 0 equals to B square minus AC, next bracket AX square plus 2BXY plus CY square. So students, how we can prove? We are going to take LHS student. Okay. Now students, as I told you, we will try our best to get answer or to get 2 zeros. Okay. So students, if I will apply this property, C3 tends to C3 minus XC1 minus YC2. We are going to change C3 student. C3 tends to C3 minus XC1 minus YC2. So AX plus BY minus AX minus BY. So whole will be cancelled. Answer 0. So here we have to write 0. Similarly, for second row, BX plus CY minus BX minus Y into C, CY. So answer 0. That's why students I have written here, you can see first column as it is, second column as it is, third column 0 0. Now here students, we have to multiply this by x and we have to multiply this by y. So then what will be here? You can see student, minus x ax plus by minus y bx plus cy. Okay, students, let us simplify this. Open the bracket. Minus ax square plus minus bxy minus bxy minus cy square. So if we take minus common, then we get minus ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square in bracket. And this part, first column as it is, second column as it is, third column change students by using this property. Now students, you can see here we have got 2 zeros in third column, so we can expand now. So I am going to expand along C3, column 3. So it is 0, not required right, it is 0, not required right, it is at the place of A 3 3, correct? So 3 3 6 at the even place students. So this value will come as it is, no minus sign. Now delete its column, its row student. Left part is this, A B B C. Now simplify students, AC minus B square. I am going to take minus common from here. This minus and this minus become plus. So when I will take minus common, B square will positive and AC will be negative. So I have written here B square minus AC, and this part as it is students, ax square plus 2bxy plus cy square. Okay students? Okay then.